To get Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch, you will need to follow a series of simple steps. First, ensure your Samsung Watch is compatible with Google Wallet, which typically includes newer models such as the Galaxy Watch 4 and later versions. Next, you need to have a Google account and a compatible Android phone. As Google Wallet is part of the Google Pay ecosystem, on your Android phone, navigate to the Google Play Store and download the Google Wallet app if it is not already installed. Once the Google Wallet app is installed on your phone, open it and sign in with your Google account. You will then be prompted to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Follow the in-app instructions to complete this step, which may include verifying your card details and agreeing to the terms and conditions. After setting up Google Wallet on your phone, open the Google Wallet app on your Samsung Watch. If you do not see the Google Wallet app on your watch, you may need to download it from the Google Play Store on your watch or through the Galaxy Store. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your phone to access your wallet. To add a card to Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch, you will need to use the Google Wallet app on your phone. Open the app, navigate to the Payment Methods section, and add a new card. The card will then be synced to your watch, allowing you to make payments using your Samsung Watch. To make a payment using Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch, simply open the Google Wallet app, select the card you want to use, and hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal. You will feel a vibration and see a confirmation on your watch when the payment is successful. Best practices for using Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch include keeping your watch and phone software up to date, using a secure lock screen on your watch, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and tips, you can easily and securely use Google Wallet on your Samsung Watch.